powerful, durable, fast, and with an impressive range. This is how one can describe the Cadillac Escalade IQL electric vehicle. The range on a single charge is striking, 740 kilometers. Using a fast charging station, you can gain 187 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. The exterior design and interior preserve the typical Cadillac luxury. For speed enthusiasts, acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour takes only 4.7 seconds. The electric SUV is equipped with an air suspension and rear-wheel steering, which even allows for sideways movement. It's impossible to confuse the BMW XM SUV with any other brand thanks to its iconic BMW-style kidney grille. The side view features a striking design with smooth and elegant lines, while the rear sports dual hexagonal exhaust pipes that add to BMW's uniqueness. The interior is packed with modern gadgets and features comfortable leather seats with a vintage effect. The 8-cylinder plug-in hybrid engine delivers pure driving pleasure, outstanding power, and a signature sound. The adaptive suspension impresses with sporty handling without compromising comfort. It's easy to fall in love with the Ferrari Purosangue for its unmistakable style, combining sporty traits with elegance and sophistication, as well as for its unique technical characteristics. The 12-cylinder V-shaped engine produces 725 horsepower, but with such power and dynamic acceleration, the fuel consumption ranges from 17 to 28 liters per 100 kilometers. The sporty spirit of the Ferrari Purosangue can truly be felt behind the wheel, accelerating on the highway up to a top speed of 311 kilometers per hour. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds. The Aston Martin DBX 707 sports crossover is more focused on fast and dynamic driving, with comfort not being the top priority. In 2021, the Aston Martin DBX 707 became the official medical car of Formula One. The vehicle's technical specifications are pleasantly surprising. Acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.2 seconds, a top speed of 310 kilometers per hour, 550 horsepower, and an electric active anti-roll system that counteracts body tilt during sharp turns. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is the first crossover in the history of Rolls-Royce. Statistics show that over 90% of owners of this brand prefer to drive themselves rather than use a chauffeur. Taking this into account, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan received a more modern and dynamic design, while maintaining its signature luxury. Under the hood is a 6.75-liter V12 twin-turbo petrol engine, producing 571 horsepower. The interior materials have become even more luxurious and refined. Bentley owners love the brand for its superb comfort and exceptional build quality. The interior of the Bentley Bentayga features classic Bentley styling with leather and wood finishes. This SUV is equipped with active cruise control, a night vision system, lane keeping assist, a touchscreen controller for rear passengers, and much more. The top speed is limited to 301 km/h. Fuel consumption of 12.8 liters per 100 kilometers is, in my opinion, quite reasonable. Currently, the Cadillac Escalade is mainly sold in North America, where people love very spacious and large vehicles. The trunk volume is enormous, 3,424 liters. It also impresses with its seating capacity of 7 to 8 people. The vehicle's design is executed in Cadillac's new corporate style. The Escalade is equipped with an updated 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 420 horsepower. The adjustable suspension allows the ride height to be changed by up to 101 millimeters. The exterior and interior design of the Mercedes-Maybach GLS embody absolute luxury. A wide range of features is available for both the driver and passengers. From navigation to entertainment, high-quality decorative elements enhance the overall aesthetic impression. The car weighs 3,270 kilograms, yet the fuel consumption of 13.5 liters per 100 kilometers is quite reasonable. A full tank offers a range of 670 kilometers. Ground clearance is 160 millimeters. The 4-liter gasoline engine can accelerate the car to a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. Another massive American SUV is the Jeep Grand Wagoneer L. It features 3 rows of seats, offering passengers not only heating and ventilation, but also individual multimedia systems with touchscreens. The air suspension has a base clearance of 203 millimeters and can be adjusted either manually or automatically. Once the vehicle reaches 56 kilometers per hour, with a total adjustment range of 91 millimeters. It has all-wheel drive, weighs 3,490 kilograms, and the average fuel consumption with the V8 engine is 15 liters per 100 kilometers. The high-performance Mercedes G-Class, developed by German specialists, is considered one of the most advanced vehicles in the world. It includes numerous active and passive safety systems. The vehicle's distinctive design compared to other SUVs lies in its straight, angular body lines. It features extended wheel arches, new bumpers, and 24-inch wheels. The SUV is powered by a 6.3-liter V12 gasoline engine producing a stunning 900 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The Lamborghini Urus E stands out from other SUVs with its combination of supercar performance and off-road versatility. Thanks to its all-wheel drive system and ground clearance, it handles well on asphalt and various types of terrain, including off-road. Despite its sporty characteristics, the Lamborghini Urus still provides a high level of comfort for passengers. It is equipped with a powerful 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine that delivers outstanding performance. The advanced multimedia system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The Maserati Levante interior features premium materials, making it not only a practical vehicle, but also a status symbol. It comes with a wide range of electronic assistance, including lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. There's also an air quality monitoring system and 4-zone climate control. The reliable all-wheel drive system ensures confidence on various road types. The top speed is an impressive 304 kilometers per hour. The average price of this luxury vehicle starts at $105,000. While the Range Rover SV may not be the most expensive SUV, in my opinion, it has the most exquisite interior. Most interior components are handmade by experienced craftsmen, guaranteeing the highest quality and attention to detail. The Range Rover SV includes dynamic climate control systems, premium audio systems, and other innovative features. It has a decent ground clearance of 219 millimeters, but the top speed of 250 kilometers per hour might be a bit disappointing. 8 airbags provide solid safety. The main design controversy surrounding the Aston Martin DBX lies in its rear. The slightly comical ducktail is surprising. The British invested everything they had into the development: finances, effort, knowledge, and experience. The result is a vehicle that accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds, with a top speed of 290 kilometers per hour. The luxurious interior is made from high-quality materials with comfortable seats. Advanced technologies include modern safety and driver assistance systems, as well as infotainment features. A major downside is the high maintenance and repair costs. The most powerful SUV in the history of the Japanese brand, the Lexus LX 700, features a 3.4-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with an electric motor. The total hybrid power output is 460 horsepower. Compared to its predecessor, fuel consumption has decreased from 12.5 to 11.7 liters per 100 kilometers. The Lexus LX700 can tow a 3.6-ton trailer. In short, it's an incredible vehicle. The Chevrolet Suburban is a solid choice for large families or groups of friends, as it can accommodate up to 9 passengers. It's available with various engines, including a gasoline V8 and a diesel unit, offering high power and torque. The SUV can be equipped with up to 30 different systems, including automatic braking, lane keeping assist, 9 surround view cameras, vibrating seats to alert the driver, and more. The Chevrolet Suburban is used in the U.S. presidential motorcade, as well as by special forces, emergency medical services, and fire departments. Another member of the Chevrolet SUV family, the Chevrolet Tahoe stands out in its class for its spacious cabin and large dimensions. Its advantages include design and image, safety level, cabin and trunk space, sound insulation, engine power and reliability, suspension and ground clearance, handling and off-road capability. There are also drawbacks: fuel consumption, expensive parts and maintenance, and somewhat weak brakes. At its core is the popular 5.3-liter V8 gasoline engine producing 355 horsepower. The Genesis GV80 from the Korean conglomerate is arguably the best value-for-money luxury SUV. For $80,000, you get a vehicle that rivals other high-end SUVs in comfort and off-road performance. The interior design features clean lines with no sharp angles. In terms of technology and electronic features, the Genesis G580 holds its own. Overall, the car looks massive, but the multiple surfaces and body curves give the crossover elegance. The rear or all-wheel drive Genesis G580 reaches a top speed of 250 km per hour. The creative engineers behind Mercedes' all-wheel drive SUV with a 6x6 configuration and a cabin almost the size of a bus never cease to amaze with their projects and innovations. German reputation and high-quality engineering allow the vehicle to tackle difficult off-road terrains with maximum comfort and reliability. The ferocious Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.3 seconds and can even beat a Bugatti Veyron in a race. This hardcore crossover features stiffer air suspension dampers and a smart system that controls body roll. Electromotors inside each axle's stabilizers engage during cornering, defying the laws of physics. However, the price of this vehicle is sky-high due to its outstanding performance, engineering excellence, and exclusivity. Additionally, it's a prestigious brand with a rich racing heritage and top-tier quality. The 5th-generation GMC Yukon XL is available with rear or all-wheel drive. Compared to its predecessors, it offers 41% more legroom for third-row passengers and a 66% increase in trunk space behind the third row. Technically, it features partial cylinder deactivation during low engine loads. The front design is notable for its strict 3-section clamp-style headlights and a larger radiator grille. It also has a good ground clearance of 201 millimeters, and city fuel consumption is 16.8 liters per 100 kilometers.